It's put something visual in front of us so much faster. And an engineer also doesn't have to maybe spend as many cycles building something because now the PM can go validate it first. It's like, hey, I've got a rough
Right.
prototype. What do you think? And you could even, startups can launch so much faster because they can vibe code something. It's like, okay, let's try this out. And they don't have to put such a massive engineering power behind it. But when code does not have to be quote unquote production ready, they can scale as needed versus like everything has to start with like 20 engineers. I hope this leads to more startups and not less.
Right. Right. And that's what I've been realizing about using AI is now I don't have to spend hours fixing a semicolon. I can just tell the AI, fix it. I can tell the AI, this is the algorithm that I want you to implement. And now I don't have to like go over a lot of cycles just trying to put the basics. And then I can just steer the agent towards what I actually want to build.
Yeah, exactly. It's amazing.
And furthermore, I think that we were talking about earlier about SQL injection. I learned about, I think it's 11 now. It's more the TCP/IP layers that I had to learn all that stuff, the low level things that we needed to learn before, because all of that is something that you needed in order to build something. I think that those core, knowledge are going to become much more relevant in the age of AI. Right.
Yes. Understanding the foundations, I think, becomes far more important.
Yes.
It's got to be a lot harder now to wing it because it comes to context. If you can't share the context with AI, it's only as smart as you in some ways. In some ways, not all the ways. It's definitely smarter than me, but you need to be able to guide it. And for that, you have to know the questions you're not asking.
Yes.
You have to know what it doesn't know. And it's like, no, I want you to build it this way. No, what about this? Like, because you have to be able to challenge it. Actually, let me rephrase that. Because it is smarter than you now have to work more to become smarter than it so you can share context with it. You want it to be faster than you, but you still must guide it.
Yes, it becomes a yes man in the sense that if you go in the wrong direction, it's going to say, yes, let's figure out how to do that. And it's going to kind of figure it out or give you whatever you need because it's going to try to comply to your request. So if that's what I'm trying to go. If your initial request is wrong because you have the wrong foundation or you don't have foundations, then everything after that is going to be
like
bad effort.
Like security, you can't do trade-offs well, right? And security is where it's really weak at. It's like, it takes a bit of nudging to be like, no, that's a bad thing. Do not do that. That is how I get screwed. Like, do not do this. And that tends to require experience and so forth. And so far, maybe it'll change. I don't know. It's also advancing fast. Maybe they'll figure out how to make AI so that people are not pasting their API tokens in ChatGPT and then leaking everything, but it'll be prone to those human limitations.
Right.